This is the true story of the longest-running legal battle in Indian history, a case that has survived for over 148 years, and is still active today in May 2026. The story begins in 1878, in a neighborhood called Doshipura in Varanasi. India was still under the British Raj, and Queen Victoria was the Empress of India. Two religious groups, the Shias and the Sunnis, got into a dispute over 9 small plots of land. One side claimed the land was a gift from the Maharaja of Varanasi for religious recitations, the other claimed part of it was a graveyard. What started as a local disagreement turned into a legal marathon that would span 3 centuries. The case moved from the local British magistrates to the High Court, and eventually, after India gained independence, it reached the Supreme Court. In 1981, the Supreme Court of India finally delivered a landmark judgment. They ruled that the land belonged to the Shia community and even ordered that 2 graves be moved to settle the matter once and for all. But the story didn't end there. Because of fears that moving the graves would cause a massive riot, the state government asked the court to pause the order. The court agreed, putting its own decision in abeyance, basically in a deep freeze. Decades passed. The freeze was extended in 1986, and then again in 1996. Every few years, lawyers would return to court to ask for updates. By 2014, the judges noted that a wall had been built around the graves, but they still couldn't declare the case fully closed because the underlying tensions remained. As of May 2026, the Doshipura graveyard case is still cited in legal journals as one of the oldest active litigations in the world. It has outlived every person who was alive when it started, every lawyer who first argued it, and the very empire that saw its beginning. Today, this case is the ultimate real-world example of why India's backlog of 55.8 million cases is so dangerous. It shows that even when a final verdict is reached, the ghost of a century-old dispute can continue to haunt the halls of justice, proving that sometimes, in the eyes of the law, time simply stands still.